Hey guys, Jason Scudellari with CPP, and today I'm going to be installing our easy return rivet fittings. They now come in -8 and -10. Let's get started. All right, so I've marked out the areas on the tank where I'm going to install them. First thing I'm going to do is use a pilot drill to start the holes. Now the body on the rivet nuts are 3/4. So what I'm going to use is a unibit, and the very last step on the unibit is 3/4. Be sure to clean all the shavings out. All right, so how this works is once you drill your hole, you'll install your rivet fitting in. As you tighten on the bolt, it's gonna swedge this area down, bringing it closer, which will give it a tight seal on the inside. We also have a gasket with a lip here. Be sure your gasket sits over the lip and stays there. As you tighten it, towards the end, it'll get harder and harder. I like to just go underneath. Be sure it's grabbed really good, which it has, looks really nice. We'll back out the bolt. It's that easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and install our ORB fitting. This is a -8. I've already put a little bit of oil on the O-ring. There we go. Go ahead and install the -10. And we'll be done. All right, so we got our -8 and 10 installed. Our -6 last year won Best Product of the Year at the Street Rod Nationals. That was pretty cool. These are perfect for when you're installing fuel injection. It's a perfect way to get a return to your tank without having to weld on it. So when you're ready to order your classic car or truck parts, give us a call or visit classicperform.com.